Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas, a hub of women fashion for every sort and every type and category of designing ideas. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then I'm here with you along with the very stylish, very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidered face mask designs. Before going to the details of this video, I hope that all of you are fine and doing well in your lives, and may Allah keep you protected from this very dangerous coronavirus, which has been termed as COVID-19. For any sort of fashion designing or apart from any type of fashion category, our health is very important. So as far as we are concerned, for the styling of our dresses or our fashion sense, then our health comes first. To remain protected from this pandemic situation, face masks, or which are also termed as mouth masks, quarantine masks, virus masks, they are very important. So I decide to share some more beautiful hand embroidery patterns of face masks so that you could enjoy and at the same time could look classy into your outfits. As Eid is very near, only 3 to 4 days are left in Eid ul Azha 2020. For your very beautiful and soft, comfortable, luxurious collection of Eid dresses, your mask should be of some sort of hand art or some fancy hand embroidery pattern so that you could remain protected from virus and at the same time could look classy and stylish in your outfits. So kindly do try these face masks and take a fabric color matching to your Eid outfits and design using these embroidery design patterns or beautiful color combination ideas. I bet that you would look amazingly stunning and beautiful by trying these embroidery patterns onto your face masks. So stay blessed. Kindly do try these and share your amazing and beautiful experiences with us. If you have any queries or you want us to upload some stuff according to your choices and likes, then do comment below this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please do share our video with your friends and family so that they could also get these amazing and stylish ideas. So stay blessed and thank you so much for watching the video. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos.